Hello YouTube, I hope you guys are doing good today. Back with another video today, just my Mac Tools tool bag tour. This is just a quick grab and go tool bag. Start off here, Tecton, standard Allen wrench set, spare tire tool that I cut, and I use this for one of them bottle jacks that comes with vehicles just as an extra jack to help level stuff off or push stuff up in place. Craftsman and a no-name 3-inch extension. This is a nice bag for the junkyard too. Just quick grab and go. The metric set of Allen wrenches and a deep stubby adjustable. I threw the gear wrench mid-length sockets in here. I haven't gotten a whole lot of use out of these, so I wanted to put them in somewhere where I'd actually be forced to use them more, and it kind of gives me the best of both worlds, hopefully. So, see how I like them. So far, they've worked out good. Mac Tools linesman pliers. Tecton 12-ounce ball peen. I think I kind of have a plier problem. It seems like every toolkit has an abundance of them. Just a Craftsman pry bar screwdriver. Gear wrench punch. Used it the other day. Got thrown in there. Blue Point 6-inch adjustable wrench. Mac Tools slip joint. Iron vice grips, adjustables, or channel locks, I guess, whatever you want to call them. Slip joint pliers. I like these ones. Got the little 6-inch, and then the other pair is an 8-inch. Iron again, bent needle nose, Twin, Harbor Freight, regular needle nose, Mac, tongue and groove or slip joint pliers, performance tool, round head, just longer, 3/8 flex head ratchet, just a ratchet, but it works. Harbor Freight stubby flex head with my 6-inch extension on it, which is a channel lock. Another pair of Mac tongue groove pliers. Gear wrench pick. Vice grips. Craftsman 1/4-inch nut driver handle. I have a 1/4-inch set of sockets in my car. I'll throw in here when I need. Master Mechanic 8-inch adjustable. This is one of their USA made ones. Channel lock ratchet. Smaller Craftsman screwdriver. I actually found this one on the road, so works perfect. Williams side cutters or dikes, whatever you want to call them. That's my DeWalt grinder, bolt, and then mother punch. I had a pry bar in here too, but I guess that did not get put back in it. So I guess that concludes that. This is just something I have set up for mostly the junkyard. I work as a parts dismantler at the junkyard. I have my car set up already, but if I need to leave my car, this is quick grab and go and something I can do maybe 80% of the stuff that I need to do. As far as smaller stuff, I need to just pull off a larger motor or something simple like that. Anyways, guys, thank you. Have a great day.